Hello and welcome to this new esoteric art session. Today we explore the topic of kissing. As you've seen, I have already cut some lips, some kissing lips from my magazines, and I'm going to use them later on during this session that wants to be an inspirational tutorial for you as well, so that you can take inspiration and create your own session exploring this topic, the topic of kissing. As you see, I am going to try different kissing lips, kissing mouths on this face that I've drawn, and to sense the feeling, to sense what changes as I change the kissing lips, and also according to where I place them. So this is Silvia, your one and only favorite and original esoteric artist and evolutive coach. I do support spiritually awakened people on their ascension journey, so I love to support you as you keep on evolving. As you know, ascension is an ongoing work, a perpetual work. And so I primarily use esoteric art. I also do energy work. I do Reiki. I do read Akashic records. I do channel power symbols for you. A lot of things. You can find all my services and products in the link tree that I have shared here below this video. So for now, let's keep on going with this session. You see how I am now gluing the mouth, the kissing lips. So I have chosen this time to draw a face with my dominant hand and with my eyes open. Usually I use my non-dominant hand and eyes closed. So let's see what comes up. I love for you to explore the feelings of the changes as this session evolves. So after gluing the mouths, I started to color the woman, the protagonist of our session, this kissing being. She loves to kiss and she loves to be kissed. Kissing is all her word. And so now the final touches. Let's listen to the message that she has for us. I always love to bless my artworks with the fire of a candle and with some smudging as well. Today I got white sage. So here's the message. Kiss me always and forever. Wow, she's very straight. She's also very sweet. She's sensual, she's wild, she's warm, and she's here to say that kissing is all that counts. So this is a journey through the senses, and I wanted to start it today with kissing. The word of kissing, what does represent it for you? You can explore as well with your own session, and you can also book a private esoteric session with me to explore the topic that is dearest to your heart.